G'day gang, how's it going? Trev here from Trev's Life, and on today's video we're going to cook potato bombs wrapped in bacon, and we're going to chuck on a lamb roast as well in the old Weber barbecue. Alright, so we've got the I've got my chimney of coals ready to go, and what we're going to do is just chuck them in here. Half on that side, half on that side. Rightio, let's get to cooking. Rightio gang, let's get this lamb roast cooking, and then we'll get stuck into putting these potato bombs together. Right, so pretty simple. We're just going to put on some rosemary and some all-purpose seasoning. So on with the rosemary. And on with the seasoning. Not too much. Boss said not too much. Right. We'll just chuck this in, just like that. And let's get to making these potato bombs. Right, first of all, we have to make the filling. So, what we've got is, I've got some bacon mince and some onion, which I've fried up. I don't have to show you that. It's pretty simple. Chuck it in. And then to that, we add a packet of Philadelphia cream cheese. Get in there, you bugger. Alrighty, so that's your filling for your spuds. Just give that a bit of a mix. Rightio, Philadelphia cream cheese, bacon and onion. Straight, nearly forgot the garlic. So, boss says half a teaspoon of garlic. Is that right, boss?
Yeah.
Yeah. Chuck it in. Rightio. And pepper. And a little bit of salt. Rightio. Give that a mix. Beautiful. Right, now we get the piping bag and we load him up. A little bit of your mix in like so. Now comes the fun part. Rightio, let's get the spuds. Now, the trick is the old Ryobi drill. What you do, grab your spuds, and now when you drill your holes, drill 3 holes and don't drill all the way through. Okay? 1, 2, and 3. Struth, I'm making a mess. I'll do one more. Alright. So now, you got your holes in your spuds, you got your filling, chuck it in there like that, and fill him up just like that. Alright, beautiful. Now, we'll just quickly do this one. Now, the next thing is get yourself a nice big old piece of bacon and wrap him up. Try and get your ends of your bacon. Oh, I guess it doesn't matter. That's it. Alright, now we get the foil. Thank you, lovely Elise. Wrap him up. And it's as easy as that. Alright, I'll chuck the rest of these together off camera, and then we'll get them into the barbie. Rightio gang, we've got the 6 spuds all done up, ready to go. And now, ooh, that's a bit warm. My wooden handle fell off. Oh well. So, get this bad boy off. And in with the spuds. So we've got the coals on either side, and then we'll cook in the centre with indirect heat. Alrighty. So I reckon in 1 hour we'll check to see if the spuds are ready, and like I said, then we'll turn the roast over. Alright. Rightio gang, it's been 2 hours. I thought the spuds were going to be cooked in an hour, but it's 2 hours and they're beautiful. We'll have a look. So get a bit of a close up on this one. So, oh, there's me poker. So the spuds are, can you see that? Is that in the shot? The spuds are soft, nice and soft, right through. So what I'll do is I'll quickly unwrap them all, and then we'll get to doing the glaze. Rightio gang, I've taken the alfoil off, and now we're going to make a barbecue glaze. So get your favourite barbecue sauce, squirt him in there, get yourself a half a teaspoon of minced garlic, chuck it in, and a good blodge of honey. Rightio. Now we just stir him up. Ooh-wee, this is going to be yummy. Now, you want to come in tight, camera lady? On with the glaze. Now, this bacon is cooked, but it's a bit soggy because it was in the foil. So we put the glaze on and then we let it sit in here for 10-15 minutes. And the bacon will go crunchy and delicious and amazing. Alrighty. Look at that. This is gonna be so good. Right gang, we'll put the lid back on and I'll show you the final product pretty soon. Rightio gang, it's been 15 minutes since we glazed the spuds. I've got the meat resting there. We're going to do a taste test on the meat and the spuds. I've got a few more veggies in here, but we won't worry about those. And would you look at that, eh? That looks amazing. Rightio. So, I'm going to chop this in half and open it up to show you. Oh wow. So we do that, and then we get some roast, like so. Oh yeah. It's not plated up fancy, but we're just doing a taste test. Okay, so there's your potato. Now we chuck on a bit of, what do you call this stuff? Sour cream. A little blodge of sour cream on each one. And then we get some chives, like so. Woo-hoo. Would you look at that, eh? I'm gonna do a close up. Oh yeah. Rightio gang, let's have a taste. A bit of that bacon, bit of all of that juicy stuff. Let's try it out. Good. I didn't get the bacon. That's really hot. That's bloody delicious. You can taste the barbecue sauce, the garlic, Parmesan cheese? No, not Parmesan cheese. Philadelphia cream cheese. Very beautiful. Now let's try this. Let's try this roast while we're at it. That's bloody beautiful. Alright gang, better wind this up, it's taking too long. Hope you enjoyed the video. We've nearly hit 1,000 subs, so I'm pretty excited about that. So if you can subscribe, that'd be awesome. And we'll see you on the next one. Ta-da!